Modern aircraft carriers are engineering marvels. On the chaotic flight deck of an aircraft carrier, one figure stands out, the shooter. Wearing the signature yellow shirts, they are not just signaling launches, they are orchestrating precision under pressure. Shooters are commissioned aviators trained to ensure every launch is safe, calculated and combat ready. From checking catapult systems to calculating wind over deck and performing final aircraft inspection, trained to ensure every launch is safe, calculated and combat ready. Without them, no aircraft leaves a deck. They are the heartbeat of naval aviation.